Okay, now I'm going to include here this one, a spin button, format control, link to calculations sort order. One, two. So here we are. You will see here now, I'm going to change this one. So if I click on this, you can see, then I'm going to change here. Okay, I'm starting from the top and I'm going to descend. I'm using this object here. Okay, you can also change it like this. You can also pay more attention on this. Okay, here we are. Okay, you can change your sort order. Okay, so we already defined most of our dashboard. We're going to see the graph and also how to show the average and also the sign if it is more than 90% or less than 10%.